If you cannot find modern auto maintenance shops in your area, it's a big opportunity for you. You know why? You can open one, because the auto maintenance industry is booming. Don't take my words for granted. If you want to know how it is booming, just look at the number of cars you see in your vicinity. Look at the number of cars in your area. That is an indication that the market is there. There's ready market for you. Start an auto maintenance business today and you will never regret it. Because car owners always are looking for a reliable workshop to service their car, to repair their cars. So this is a big opportunity for you. If you don't know me, my name is Ishak Ahmed, founder of Autocare 360, and I help auto or car enthusiasts set up auto maintenance shops across Africa, Asia, Middle East, and North America. Get in touch with us now.